Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Github Student Developer Pack on your Windows. So the Github Student Developer Pack is for free. That means that any student that's college or university can use this GitHub. This is very beneficial as it has a lot of tools for programming, web developing, or packathon with your mates or for university purposes. Now this is a professional software and it's very used in my university especially. Now what you need to do is you need to press on the sign up for student developer pack. Now this is going to give you two options. Of course you're a student, so please pick the student benefits. As you press, you will need to of course log in. Now because you don't have an account, you can press to create an account. You're going to be new to GitHub. Of course I cannot sign through all of this because I've already made an account, but you need your username, email address, password. Then they will ask you for your normal university email, and of course they're going to ask you for your actual name, so they can fully register that you are a university student. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you